Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class 3rd. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, as you all know, in my previous video, I have completed exercise A of lesson number 6, and the sum portion of that exercise I have given you in homework. So today in this video, I will give you another exercise, and the portion which I have given you in HW, that answer also I will give you. You all have to tell your answer from that. Not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number 6 and exercise A. It is on page number 26. As you all know, I have given this homework here. Yes, I have given you in your homework. I hope you all have done it. So tell your answer from here. Here you can see horse, mare. Feminine forms you have to write of all these masculine forms. Landlord, landlady, billy goat, nanny goat, ram, Eve, bull, cow, actor, actress, husband, wife, father, mother, king, queen, tiger, tigress. So you can tell your answers from this exercise. If you have not done your homework, now you have to do it. Okay. Now B exercise. This portion I have already given you in my previous video. Now next exercise B, encircle the common genders among the following. Here you have to circle the common gender. Common gender, where see here you can see I have already explained you what is common gender. Do you know, students? Common genders are the genders where a noun is the name of a person or animal that may be either male or female. मतलब वो noun जो जिसमें या तो वो मेल होता है या फिर फीमेल पर्सन का नेम या एनिमल का नेम, उसे कॉमन जेंडर कहते हैं. सो हेयर योर फर्स्ट लाइन हेयर, बॉय, पेरेंट्स, लैंडलॉर्ड, ड्रॉन, शीप. सो हेयर इज पेरेंट एंड sheep. So parent and sheep you have to circle here. Now next sibling, hen, uncle, Eve, bull. Here is sibling. Sister and brother, anyone can come here in the sibling word. Next dog, student, prince, lioness, enemy, student and enemy. Here you have to circle teacher, then fall, then swan, then companion, then friend, neighbor, pig, human, god, learner. These all words are common genders. Okay, you can take a screenshot to do it. Now next page, C exercise. Here, classify the following nouns according to their genders. Write them under the appropriate heading. Here you have to classify nouns according to gender, means you have to search here feminine and masculine. Here all are mixed up, feminine and masculine. I have written here all the feminines. You have to search the masculine and write here. This is your homework. Here you have to write. Okay, the homework. So feminines are here. You can see Sultana, I have written on first, then here is, then here you can see bride. These all are feminine. Okay, niece, then daughter, then queen, here, then wife, then lass, here, then directress, then empress. These all are I have written in these blanks. Here is the column of feminine. Okay, here I have written. You have to search masculine and write down here from these box. Okay, now D exercise. I hope you get it, your C exercise, what you have to do in that. Now D exercise, find the odd one out. A word that doesn't fit into a group in the following. ऐसा वर्ड जो इन ग्रुप्स में फिट नहीं होता वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. योर फर्स्ट इज बॉय, देन बुल, देन बोर, देन ब्रदर. बॉय, बुल, बोर एंड ब्रदर all are masculine, so here which is the feminine, so you have to circle. Now next, same as man, monk, milkman, master. Mare is feminine. Okay, mare. Next, girl, queen, sister, aunt, nephew is masculine. All are feminine. Okay. Now next, cop, tiger, boar, ram, saw. Here saw is feminine. These all are masculine. Now next, same here, book, shirt, car, eve, stick. So these all are neuter. Neuter gender means non-living things. These all are neuter gender. So here is the correct answer is eve. Okay, eve is the odd one. You can take a screenshot to write this D exercise. Now E exercise. What you have to do in your E exercise, here you can see, rewrite the following sentences by changing the gender of the words given in color. Here you can see in pink color some genders are giving you. My uncle has a pet dog. So you have to rewrite the sentence. You have to cut here uncle. You have to write here the uncle. Another form means feminine form. Uncle is a masculine. So feminine of uncle is aunt and the dog is bitch. Same as a king had 4 sons. So here the sentence become a queen had 4 daughters. Okay, you have to change the gender. King का change gender है queen, son का daughters. So here I have written. I hope you get it. Now next page. Next page. Here third. My grandfather was a rich landlord. So here the opposite gender of grandfather is grandmother. Here I have written grandmother, GRANDMOTHER, and the opposite gender of landlord, landlady. Same here, a man with 2 boys was going to the market. So here a woman with 2 girls was going to the market. Now next, a hunter was running after a boar. So here huntress was running after a saw. Her brother is an extremely fine actor. So it become her sister is an extremely fine actress. Here you have to change the gender only. Okay students, then you have to rewrite this sentence. I meet her brother and nephew yesterday. I meet her sister and niece yesterday. So here is the gender of brother, another opposite gender of brother, sister, and nephew is niece. Okay, so in this way you all have to do this exercise. Now next F exercise, play time with nouns. Look at the following pictures and write their name and the type of gender they belong to. Here is the picture of peahen. So here peahen feminine. Then this is a picture of queen feminine. Same as here, this is a loin masculine. Here's cow feminine. Now next page, shoes neuter, boy masculine. Okay, now next exercise, word game. This you have to do in homework. I have given you 2 homework. One is here. One homework is here. You have to search all the masculine gender here from this chart. Okay, and the second is here, word game. What you have to do in it? Here you have to spot and circle 2 nouns, each of masculine gender, that is masculine gender, 2 masculine gender, 2 feminine gender, and the 2 common genders are here in this box. You have to find out. Okay student, so it is sufficient for today. Your chapter is over. In my next video I will give you your next chapter. So you have to do your homework neatly and cleanly. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video.